Yo guys, what is up? This is Lsaverftw here. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to a brand new sneaker review. So today we're going to be going over the all new Stefan Janoski remastered Flyleather Nike SB. This shoe right here is a 9.5. I got it in a 9.5 this time instead of my Niges, which is a size 10. And also the color is pure platinum with the brown sole. And before we open the box, it says Nike Flyleather on the top. It says made with at least 50% leather fiber for 100% performance. And it also tells you in the box on the left column right here, it says made with at least 50% leather fibers in multiple languages. When you open the box first, you're gonna get the left shoe right here. Boom, beautiful shoe right here, beautiful sole right there as well. And the right shoe right here is gonna have your extra pair of laces kind of just stuck inside somewhere, and boom, here's the right shoe. Let's go ahead and put this box down and let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the shoes. So this shoe is actually an interesting way of how they came up with the idea. They flew the Nike team out to England and they got to visit a big giant leather manufacturer. So this leather manufacturer place produces this Flyleather material. They take a bunch of scrap leather that's already gonna be going into waste. They grind it down into small bits of leather fibers, and after when the process is done, they merge the fibers into giant rolls of reusable materials. So Nike's idea of making this material is basically meant for sustainability and also performance. Now the whole shoe isn't 100% made of recycled materials. It says on the box that it's made with at least 50%. So it can be 55%, 60%, and so forth. This is not the only collab that's done with the Nike Flyleather. Recently we had the Rohan Wong collab and they all had beautiful artwork. It was printed over the Flyleather materials, and there's probably tons of other shoes coming out that Nike's going to be using this material on, but it is a cool concept to use on a Nike SB, especially when you're taking up a lot of shoes that you're using. You're basically ripping up most of your shoes anyways, so why not rip up recycled goods? So if you guys want to check out more about the Flyleather material, I'm going to attach the link in the description down below so you guys can check it out in your own time. Anyways, when we take out this little cardboard insole right here, we also have the skateboarding insole that it comes with. This is a much thicker insole, so it's going to be a lot thicker than the one that's used on the Niger 2s. We also have the Zoom Air unit on the back of the heel. This actually gives you a little bit of protection, and we all know how important it is when it comes to extra cushion. This will really help you in terms of impact. Also on the top of it, we have this futuristic print with the Nike Flyleather word. It's stamped with Nike SB right there dead in the center. So when we're talking about the Janoski sneaker, this shoe is the ultimate board fill type of sneaker right here. Nowadays I just generally skate a lot of flat. For something like this, it'll only take you really one day to break it in. This shoe is really awesome right here. This pure platinum color is a nice natural color. It can really go good with anything that you guys are rocking with. I wasn't really sure about the brown soles. Looking at it from time to time, I start to like it a lot more. And in terms of sizing, just before I let you guys go on to this pair of sneakers, this one does fit true to size, but I usually go a 9.5 in my Janoskis just because they fit like Vans and the back of the heel doesn't really grab. Example, if we're comparing it with the Niges, so I usually go down a half size so the back could, you know, grab onto your heel a little bit more. But it really depends on your foot on how this sneaker fits. Yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the views of checking out this brand new Stefan Janoski remaster. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the section down below. Lsaverftw signing out right here. Peace.